Today is 30 December in 2025. It is another bright, clear, sunny day. Sometimes the cold wind is blowing. You can see the leaves of the tree are moving. Actually, I have completed my morning shift work. So I thought that I should make a video to practice my English. That's why I have come here. Actually, you can see this is a tree. It is not a big tree, but the tree looks so beautiful. Now the tree is moving because the wind is blowing very strongly. Now I feel little bit cold. That's why I wear the warm t-shirt. And now I feel so comfortable to get sunlight. Actually, in the winter day, the sunlight is very pleasant. When we do work under the sunlight, that time we feel so comfortable. Sometimes the cloud covered the sunlight. That time the cold feels very hard. Yes, my dear friend, actually today is the last day of 2025. So this video can be memorized my life. I make this video to keep my activities in my memory. When I will become older, that time I can watch my crazy activity. Okay, my dear friend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.